Hello, people. Hello, Africa. Hello, viewers. My name is Rofo Chifu, and you're welcome to the Business in Africa YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'll be talking about the top 5 countries or markets that you can import and sell rice. Okay, like which countries in Africa are best countries for you to import and sell rice in 2025-2026? Without wasting your time, let's dive in. Now, the first on my list is Nigeria. Nigeria is one of the most popular, in fact, it's the most populous country in Africa, and it's having over 230 million people. Like, the population is really, really huge. And last year alone, they had a deficit of 2.9 million tons. So Nigeria is a country where you can actually import and sell rice. Like, there will be a ready market for you because there is already a big demand. So if you're thinking of entering this business, then Nigeria should be top on your list. Okay. Now, number 2 on my list here is Cote d'Ivoire. Cote d'Ivoire had a deficit of 1.85 million tons in 2024. And of course, another good thing about Cote d'Ivoire is that it's a gateway. Abidjan is kind of like one of the busiest deep water ports. Okay, so this makes it easy for you to import and distribute your product, like the rice we're talking about. So if you want to do this business, then you should be looking at Abidjan. Okay. Now, guys, before I continue this video, if you want to travel to any of these countries, then you can contact Moss Travels and Tours. They are going to help you with visa processing. They are going to help you with hotel accommodation, airport meet and greet, and all of these things. So contact Moss Travels and Tours. They will help you enter any African country anytime. Okay, now let's move on with the video. Number 3 on my list is Senegal. Senegal is also having a high population. Like, urbanization demand base is really, really, really huge with 18.5 million people. And of course, Senegalese eat a lot of rice. And only last year, they imported about 1.7 million tons into the country. That makes them one of the top 10 importers of rice globally. Okay, so this just goes to show that Senegalese eat a lot of rice, and if you want to do this business, you can import rice into Senegal, and you are going to make a lot of money in 2025-2026. Now, the next is South Africa. South Africa as well has a stable import of 1.15 million tons last year. And of course, they have a very high purchasing power, amongst the highest GDP per capita in sub-Saharan Africa. So if you think of this kind of business, then South Africa should be on your list. And then of course, number 5 on my list is Ghana. And just like South Africa, Ghana imported 1.1 million tons in 2024. And of course, Ghana has an active trade flow. In 2023, Ghana imported 516,000 tons, mainly from Vietnam. Like, Vietnam is their highest partner. So if you realize that there has been a steady increase year on year, so going into this business in Ghana can really, really fetch you something really big. As I said, guys, if you want to enter any of these countries, then you should contact Moss Travels and Tour. They will help you with visa processing. Like, if you have any issues, or if you want to get 1 month visa, 6 months visa, 1 year visa into any of these countries, contact Moss Travels and Tours. They're also going to help you with airport meet and greet, hotel accommodation, and even ticketing as well, guys. So come to Africa, do these businesses, and you will thank me later. Hope this video was resourceful, and if it was, give me a thumbs up and drop me a comment in the comment section below asking any of your questions, because I always pick out comments and do videos based on your questions that you ask, and I'll do a video just for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't go anywhere. Keep watching. There are just so many videos on this channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.